Hi, this is Abram Neider with Eaglewood Homes. We're going to show you a quick video about how to adjust the height of your door threshold. If you ever see daylight or feel draft coming from under your door, you can easily adjust the height of your threshold with a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. Okay, to raise or lower the threshold, simply take your screwdriver and turn these 4 screws on the threshold. Counterclockwise will raise it and clockwise will lower the threshold. You want to try to do all 4 of them in the same amount. And that should be it. You're good to go.